Hey trader, it's Irvin here. Welcome back. Look, this is what I told you last week the market was gonna do, guys. I told you the market was gonna drop. Boom, it dropped. And then I said the market was gonna reverse back. Boom, that's one winning trade. I gave you this analysis last week, guys. And then another amazing pair that I gave you guys was Euro USD. Look at what I told you last week, guys. Here's the evidence. I told you guys the market was gonna drop a little bit, and then it was gonna reverse back between our 38 and our 23 and a 38 Fibonacci level, right on it, guys. That was last week. Look, it worked out so damn well. And then from there, I said market was gonna drop. Right now, it's dropping. All right, so beautifully. Another pair that I gave you guys last week. So it was gold. Pay close attention with gold. Look, this is what I told you, everyone. I said the market was gonna continue to drop. Look at that, boom, perfectly. And then from there, what did I say? Market was gonna be bullish, and then from there, market was gonna drop back. Look at that, it's doing that. So far, guys, all the pairs that I gave you last week, it worked out so well. So stay with me, guys, even if you follow one or two or all pairs that I'm gonna give you today. Today I'm gonna surprise you. I'm gonna teach you a very amazing best top-down analysis strategy, smart money and price action. So stay with me, guys. I'm gonna give you Euro GBP, GBP JPY, Euro USD, and gold. All right, so now let me show you the very first pair of the day, and that it is Euro GBP. Boom, guys, this is what I want you to do this week. Pay close attention the way I'm gonna teach you today's strategy. That's why I'm named this, guys, the title of this analysis, the best top-down analysis strategy you're gonna ever get, doing with smart money and price action. So this is the way that I want you to know this stuff. Always pay attention to your dashboard, guys. Your dashboard will give you the answer of whatever is happening in real data. Look at here, look at the what we use 4 hours and daily. You can use the weekly if you want. Even the weekly, daily, and 4 hours is telling us the market here is only going down. The market is selling. So far, that is what we need to pay attention. So another thing that you need to pay attention is to our TW sniper entry. Our TW sniper entry is gonna tell you when the market is selling. It's gonna tell you when the market is in a buy. When the market is in a buy, you will be getting these red green stairs going up, telling you the trend is only going up. When the market is selling, the stairs will be showing the market is only coming down. So all we know is the 4 hours and daily time frame is showing us that we are selling, right? That's your cheat sheet. So I'm gonna give you all the pairs that I'm gonna give you guys today. I want you to pay attention, only pay attention to your dashboard, and trust me, you will get the answer of whatever is happening in the market, because that is freaking amazing. Now that we know the market is selling, we're gonna move on to reality, real data, real time, right? Look at that. So this is what happened, guys. This is Euro GBP. Let me shrink this a little bit so you will see it. Here it is. It's better off like that. Look. So let me go ahead and redraw the whole thing. Here's your 4 hours and daily time frame. So Irving, the market is selling. Then we look for our multiple time frame. Here's a multiple time frame. Then we look for our TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. You guys do not see any green stair like you see in here. Look at this green stair. You don't see it here. All you see here is only the red stairs. Look at that. Steps, step, and boom! Euro GBP is only selling, guys. That's all it's doing, as all has been doing since when? Market be selling since April, guys. Since April. Can you imagine? One of you guys will be trading this pair since April. Oh my God. Probably you would have pay off your house and going for a second rental property. Guys, this is amazing. I'm telling you, this is using our multiple time frame system. So now that we know that we are selling, let me go ahead and put the candles back to normal. So let me show you today's best top-down analysis strategy using a smart money and price action, right? So look at that. So this is my understanding for this week, guys, for this coming week. Market's still bearish, guys. Market's still coming down. So I might believe market's still going to be pushing another 30, 40 more pips down. And what I'm expecting to see here, guys, I'm expecting to see a red arrow. Even the RSI is giving me a signal the market is gonna reverse back. So all I can tell you guys this week is the market is getting ready for a pullback. Do not forget the market here is only selling. Look at all the candles turning red. So market here will be giving us a pullback. How far is this pullback gonna go? It's gonna go between your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level, and then it's gonna continue selling. By then, the week is over, guys. The week is over. This is gonna be history, but this is what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna give you this weekly analysis next week to see how it plays out. If there's any pair that you want me to review, guys, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to do it for you. If you want me to do a one-on-one session, guys, the link is on the description. For $9.99 you can sit down behind my back and you can learn everything that is need to be learned on the forex trading market. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna show you is I'm not gonna show you the real data yet. Do your cheat sheet, guys. Pay close attention to your dashboard. Don't forget, what is the dashboard? This is the dashboard all the way for 1 minute to 1 month. It will give you the answer. We are concentrating what 4 hours and daily is doing. All right, so do not forget. So I'm gonna leave the arrow in there. So the next pair that I'm gonna give you, so it will give you your answer. All right, so the next pair it is, guys, GBP JPY. Boom! My goodness. Look, what is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Look, you got the answer, guys. Look at the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. I'm not gonna show you the real data yet because I want you to learn. Look at that. 4 hours, daily and weekly. Everything is telling you the market is only going in one direction only, and that it is going up. That's it. That's all it's doing. Now, let's go ahead and review the real data because that's what you're here for. You're here only to learn reality, right? Let me go ahead and circle the 4 hours daily and weekly, right? So look at that. We're gonna circle this, so put a box in there so you will not forget, because this best top-down analysis strategy, guys, is the best you're gonna ever get in the forex trading market. All right, so now let me go ahead and click Shift End. Look at that. Look at this beautiful thing, guys. Look. What is your multiple time frame doing, guys? What is this history? What is the story behind this trade here? Look at here. Look at the multiple time frame. Hey, I'm in a buy position. What is your TW sniper entry doing? Hey, I'm in a buy position. Look at the stairs. You already got your cheat sheet. This guy here, the dashboard, gave you the answer. The market is only going in one direction. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. And what is the market doing? Boom! It's going only in one direction only. Look at this. How far is gonna go? In my opinion, market is gonna push another 20, 30 more pips. Boom! Going up. It's gonna give us a red beautiful arrow in here, and it's gonna give us a dot. What is the dot? The support and resistance. Look, there's another nice previous history behind here, but today's video I'm not gonna go over it, but it's gonna give us a signal here telling us the market will be giving us a pullback. How far is this pullback gonna come? It's gonna go all the way to your 23.6 Fibonacci. Why? Because there's previous multiple time frame here. All right, so and then from there market will continue bullish. And guess what? This best top-down analysis strategy will be over. So that is what I think the market will be playing out this coming week. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, this is what I want you to do. Pay close attention. What's the dashboard? What's the history behind that? Just by looking at the dashboard, you will be having the answer. Bottom line, that's all I can see and that's all I can tell you. All right, ready? So the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is Euro USD. Boom! Pay close attention. What's the dashboard telling you guys? Look at this. If anyone here is getting confused, I don't know what else you need. If you want, guys, if you need a one-on-one with me, there is a link on the description of this video. Join us. You will not regret it. Trust me, you won't regret it, guys. It's very affordable. It's $9.99 and you will be learning some amazing strategy behind scene. All right, so what's the history of daily, weekly, and 4 hours? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard has the answer of what we're looking for here. Look at this. Everything is turning green. So when you see the green folder here, represent the market here is only going where? It's only going up. That's it. That's it. Unless you are seeing something else that I'm not seeing it. Therefore, this is the next thing. We already got the answer. The answer is here. Now we're gonna move on to reality, real data, real talk. Because this best top-down analysis strategy, guys, is the best thing you're gonna ever get here on the forex trading market. Trading with Team with Irving, trading our multi time frame analysis and so forth. So this Euro USD, it is on fire. It's telling us here that we are going up. Now let me show you real data, because that's what you're here for. Look, let me delete everything, so because I don't want none of you guys to get confused. All right, so look at here. Let me shrink the candle, guys, because everybody needs to know what's going on here. Look at this. Look, this is brand new, guys. This is history. What you are seeing here on Euro USD, oh my goodness, they will be making a lot of people money. Look at here. Look at previously. Multiple time frame was selling. Look at here. TW was selling. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Now look at the difference, guys. What is the real data telling us? Look at here. Real data. Boom. Multiple time frame in there. Look at the TWE's brand new TWE, guys. Brand new for the month of June. Look at the stairs. We getting only 2 stairs at this present time. Is there 1? Is there 2? That's all I'm seeing at this moment right now. Now that we know that we are going bullish, guys, let me delete everything and give you the right analysis. Let me blow out the candle, because I don't want you to get confused, right? Let me go here. Look at here. Now, look what you are seeing here, guys. I'm telling you, there's people that are gonna charge you hundreds of pips, actually hundreds of dollars for what I'm giving you here for free. All I'm asking you in reward, guys, is go ahead, hit the bell notification below, because you won't ever regret this information that you're gonna learn from near future. And remember one thing, guys, do not trade any money you can afford to lose, guys. This business, it is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, please consult, ask for help. We are here to help you, but you must learn the basics. All right, so now that we know the multiple time frame is here, our TW sniper entry is here. This is my understanding for this week, guys. Here's our pullback. Look at here. It's telling us that we're in a sell position. So in my opinion, market is gonna come to this low here. Look at that, multiple lows in here. And then from there, market will continue on a buy position. It's gonna come to your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level, and then market will make another small pullback. Overall, all I'm seeing on Euro USD is only going bullish. Look at the RSI, guy. The RSI is also telling you the market here is only going bullish. That's it. That's it, guys. That's all I can see. If you are seeing something else that I'm not seeing, guys, please let me know. We can wrestle this professionally behind scene, and we'll be getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? Wait. I didn't hear you. And hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. Trust me on that. All right, so let me go ahead and give you another exciting pair, guys, of the week. And that it is, guy. And that is gold. Boom. Look at the intents. Look at the intent. This is very nice for you guys to know. Because look at the dashboard. Some of you might be saying, Irving, wait. Why is the daily time frame in a red and the 4 hours is green? The weekly is green. Haha, you really got a good answer there. So it's up to you guys. When you guys see a contradiction on the time frame, that means the time frame, they are having a war. They're having a war. They cannot communicate between each other, so neither you guys. If the time frames are contradicting each other, please stay away for the moment on that pair. Come back in 2-3 days later and see if there's a clear path to take this entry. All I can tell you guys is the market and the daily time frame is selling. 4 hours is contradicting. That means the 4 hours is making a pullback. Okay, now let me show you the real data so you can see it, so you won't say, Irvin, you're right, Irvin, you're wrong, because I'm here to show you reality, real data. If you pay attention, I don't teach you back data because who cares, guys? All you need to know is only what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's it. That's it. Look at this. This is what I'm teaching you here right now. Let me delete the whole thing because I don't want none of you. Look at the daily time frame in here. Look at here. Boom. It's telling us we're selling. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom. It's selling. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom. It's selling. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. Boom. 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 Look at the real data multiple time frame. Look, I did give you this pair last week. I told everyone, guys, the market is doing a pullback in a buy position, and that was exactly what the market was doing. But overall, the sellers are controlling the market on gold. The sellers are selling the market. Period. That's all I'm saying. Therefore, let me break down the real data right now. All I can see is the pullback still valid as a buy position. Look at the RSI. Even the RSI is telling us that we are in a buy position. Look at here. Here's the signal. Buy, 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 buy. It has been bullish. Therefore, what is going on now? Don't forget, the sellers are the one who is in charge. In my opinion, market is going to come back, guys, retrace this multiple time frame once. Then market is going to make a small pullback going up, and then finally will be dropping. By then, the week is over, guys. The week is gonna be over. Hopefully, some of you guys will be making hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading the market. But do not trade, guys. Do not. If you don't know how to trade, please don't do it. Look, today, guys, I gave you guys gold. I'm giving you Euro USD, GBP JPY, Euro GBP. What else do you guys want, guys? The market is on fire, guys. The market is on fire. Guys, if you need help, please let me know. Remember one thing, guys. Let's pray for the world. Let's pray for Ukraine. Stay safe. Love your family. And let's make money together this coming week, guys. And God bless you. God bless the world. And God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, thank you for coming. And I will see you guys back on our next video. Peace out. Boom.